This miss has been waltzing about the town without her loyalty oath, which she is required to have on her person at all times. After failing to do so, we've had to bring her to camp, and our sergeant major is going to be dealing with her when he seems fit. So, but we know we have dealt with this one before, and we know that she is crafty. So we have tied her to this tree to make sure that she has not gone away. But we have given her water and something to eat and a place to sit in the shade. So we must snuff out all rebellious and seditious activity here in the town. But we will not harm anyone, especially young misses like herself, like Miss Mason here.
Do you not consider oppression and occupation to be harm, sir?
No, just everything. Okay.
If necessary.
Typical attitude of the crown. No representation, no rights, yet you expect loyalty. You should not be surprised when people rebel against you.
And I think they're wider.
Do you seriously consider an innocent, small of stature young woman to be so much of a threat that I need be cruelly bound? Must be the cowardice of the king's men. Or perhaps the fear of the voice of liberty.
Okay.
When we approach, we will be clubbed. So.
I don't know if I can make it on this plane to double it.
Oh, we're gonna be clubbed.
It may not happen.
Well, just to make sure, that we show that we don't pose a threat. So.
We're never armed.
No, what are you talking about?
If you want to appear non-threatening, you should not be bringing a captive in tow.
We're capturing our.
We're just keeping this here so you don't run away.
We're never armed.
Also, Sergeant, keep in mind, I believe in the woods somewhere to the right, there is a young fellow also spying on us, possibly.
I'm sure you're mistaken, sir. There are absolutely no spies about.
I've been told at least by three.
I'm
sure it's the paranoia of the crown.
I guess that was
Okay. That's.
So, would you care for me to scout? See
Yes.
if I can find one. Okay.
So stay on our flank and we'll march out. Let's go.
Thank you for your kindness. I've done nothing wrong.
Quiet.
Nothing to deserve to be cruelly used
Silent
in a
wench.
sense. You may entrap me, but you will not silence my voice of liberty.
I said silence!
Go in that book again.
I'm sure I have no idea what you're referring to. Okay. Do I look like someone who would be literate?
Right to the book.
Where exactly are you taking me, sir?
You'll see soon enough.
You read that too?
What does it say about you that you're so threatened by the words of liberty?
I am not threatened by anything.
Then why do you have me bound, a mere woman small
I
of
am
stature,
here
unarmed?
to maintain law.
Put down your gun or I'll fire!
Flag of truce! Flag of truce!
Flag of truce! Damn rebel!
That was really scary.
You led us into an ambush, sir.
Yeah, well.